In this video guys, I'm going to show you how I made $125 promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic from Pinterest. Okay, I will share with you step by step which services I was promoting for beginners, how we can start Pinterest affiliate marketing step by step. I will make this video super easy, so you just need to copy and paste my method and you can start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's get started. So step number one guys is you need to go to Google. Okay, this is the first step you should do. Go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. Go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, it will take you to this page over here, as you can see, to Fiverr affiliate website. So now I'm gonna show you first commission plan. They are really paying a lot of money for those affiliate services, so let me show you. If you scroll down, you click over here on see commission, you can see over here that they are really paying a lot of money guys. It's up to $150 just if one person buy a service from your affiliate link. You can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see all those commission plan over here. $50 for those services, $40 for those services, and so on. They are really paying a lot of money. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do, go back to this Fiverr affiliate homepage. Okay, like this, click over here on join now and you will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. Okay, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, and your username, password, and account type, make it private. Scroll down, you will answer few questions over here and you need to choose your country, choose your language, and if you have Skype you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, answer. You just need to answer next few questions and that's it. It's really easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, go back to your home page. Now I'm gonna share with you which service I was promoting on Pinterest to get commission. So click on the search over here, search for digital planner. Okay, we will promote digital products because a lot of people are searching for digital product on Pinterest. Okay, so search for digital planner, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose good sellers like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so you need to choose good sellers. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. As you can see, this one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. Selling this service is just from $10. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, as you can see over here, what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, then click over here and put this profile seller link here like this. Click over here and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google. Let me show you. Just go to Google. It's really easy and simple. Go to Google, search for Pinterest like this, and click on the first link over here. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address and make sure to choose business account, okay, not personal account. You need to open business account. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on home feed over here, click on create pin. What you need to do is you need to upload a picture about your service. Go back to this seller page that you copy his profile link, click on his picture, double click, save this picture to your laptop so you can use it on Pinterest. I'm gonna name it, for example, planner. Okay, I will go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account. Okay, as you can see like this, click on open, and here you go, your picture will be uploaded. Scroll down, you need to put here title, description and your affiliate link. So let's start with the title. Just go back to this seller page and you need to copy his title. You are just an affiliate, so you can use his information. Okay, you can use title and description. Go back to Pinterest, put this title here, description. Let's go back to his profile page. Let's scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. Okay, so this is his description. He will copy this part to show you. Go back to Pinterest, description. He will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, go back to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here. This is my affiliate link. Click over here on choose a board, and if you are new, click on create a board. You just need to give it a name and that's it. It's really easy and simple, and you can create as many as you want. Okay, so I already create a lot of boards. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Okay, keyword. Let's go back to this profile page, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. So just keep scrolling down like this, and you should see over here related tags. Okay, copy those keywords. Okay, so just copy those keywords, go back to your Pinterest and put those keywords here. Okay, go back, and I'm gonna copy this one too, and make sure to use a lot of keywords. Okay, so people can find your this service on Pinterest in the search result. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go, your service will be published on Pinterest, and your affiliate link also will be published, as you can see like this. Okay, this is your service, this is your affiliate link over here, and this is your title, description, and that's it. It's really easy and simple, guys. So you just need to follow those steps. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest and make money. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment if you have any question, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next video.